Nature always gives us the pleasure we need for our mental peace. But how much do we really care when we see an element of nature in danger?
Pleasure begins the moment we spot beautiful things like this. And this is how nature offers pleasure to us with its various elements. One close look at them fills us with nothing but pure sense of joy. And we notice beautiful nature so long as they are fresh and fine. But a true nature lover will also notice moments of pain experienced by nature itself. So when this cute little butterfly hurt one of its wings, it just couldn't escape my eyes. It lay on ground and writhed in pain due to a broken wing. So I picked it up and let it walk on my hand for a while. Also tried to unfold and normalize its twisted wing and then put it back in the natural green leaf so it could heal up naturally. With a touch of green, the butterfly gradually gains strength and also attempts to spread its wings again. Watching the butterfly revive its normalcy made me realize what real happiness is all about. Nothing can give any greater happiness than bringing the helpless back to life. The realization itself that I tried to make a difference to another life is the whole happiness. It took little more than an hour for the butterfly to be finally able to fly. But the good thing was, it was finally able to fly, and I was so happy to see that. Therefore, be human and protect Mother Nature and all its elements. Don't ignore, but rescue the endangered wherever and whenever you find them.